Hi, I'm Kieran, and I'll show you how to make wedding invitations with Paperless Post. There are so many reasons to send Paperless Post wedding invitations, including how easy they are to make and customize, and how quickly they get sent to your guests. First, go to paperlesspost.com and log into your account or sign up. Then, click on a category you like under Wedding. Here, you can filter thousands of wedding invitation designs and browse by style, designer, season, and more. Once you've picked a design, it's time to customize it. Enter the details of your big day and choose fonts and colors to make the invitation look exactly how you want. If you like, you can upload your own monogram, backdrop, or stamp and choose an envelope color. Page styles are next. Play with them to make your event's details look great with your invitation. Add more helpful details with blocks. Help guests every step of the way with a schedule of events, travel and accommodations info, and links to registries and your wedding website. Add questions for guests to answer, like if they would like the vegetarian option for dinner. Add guest tags later to keep their replies organized. Speaking of guests, once you've saved your design, it's time to add them in bulk or one by one. You can also add couples and family members. Make the email your guests receive feel one of a kind by changing the layout, adding a monogram, and more. You can also choose to send invitations directly to guests' phone numbers or share a link with a custom URL for your special day. Preview your wedding invitation before sending it out by emailing or texting yourself a test version. Once you're happy with your invitations, send them out and watch the RSVPs and excited messages from guests roll in. Download our app for updates on the go. Have a question about making Paperless Post wedding invitations? Feel free to contact our customer operations team or leave a comment on YouTube. See you next time.